As a product photographer or designer, you face countless challenges, from set design to selecting the perfect lighting. But what if you could dramatically streamline your creative process? Introducing Flair AI. Simply upload your product image and ideally clear the background. Instantly, you're presented with a variety of customizable templates. Choose one, generate with a single click, and download high-quality product images ready for any campaign. Need to dive deeper? The editor section offers the flexibility to incorporate reference images and adjust every aspect of your photo's composition, fine-tuned to achieve the exact look and feel you desire. And voila! Your product images are ready to download. Flair AI isn't just about speed, it's about options. Explore countless variations for your products, creating images that perfectly align with your brand's aesthetics across various categories, including apparel photography. Start by selecting the model silhouette that best fits your product type. Whether you're showcasing dresses, jackets, or any apparel item, Flair AI offers a variety of poses and styles to choose from. Once selected, you can further customize the background, adjust the lighting, and even layer additional accessories to enhance your product's appeal. With just a click, Flair AI generates professional, magazine-quality images of your apparel, perfectly styled and ready to impress your clients. Curious about achieving even crisper images? Let us know if you'd like a dedicated tutorial on Midjourney for ultra-high-definition results.